In this video, I am going to demonstrate technique for throat. I just evaluate his body. He has dysfunction around vagus nerve, very important for throat area. So what I'm going to do is put my left finger around vagus nerve, and my right finger will work on the distal part of vagus nerve, which is around throat. Then I will do a lymphatic drainage. So I put my left fingers back side of the head, right here. Then my right finger will be on left side of the throat. There's vagus nerve around here. Good. Already his body is reacting. When he swallows, my fingers picks up the information, which is good sign. That means I am on right place. Good, his throat is reacting very well. Now my right finger will be on right side of the throat. Then I will cover whole part of throat. Then I will do a lymphatic drainage. Good. Vagus nerve is very important for throat area, so I hope his body will change day by day. So this is today's video. If you liked it, please like, comment and subscribe.